goodness, that's 15 miles per hour wind here. Yo! My DVR is running, and at the moment I'm flying for 21 minutes. My DVR shows as well. This is about flying. I was hovering for a while, but the rest of the time we are flying around. I'm running 22.2 volts remaining on the battery, and I have done my fair share of aerial filming on the very same flight. I climbed up to 115 meters, got some shots, got a few shots of a kite, got the shots of the football ground, and I'm still flying. I still have very good punch and enough power to go around. 22.1 volts left, still no signs or no low voltage warning. So I'll keep flying and see what is my final flight time on this perfectly modified new setup. So I'll fly around and fly to see what is my final flight time on my 650 SV2 new setup here. Okay, so finally we have landed because I have just got the low voltage warning on my DVR footage here. But as you can see, I was flying for 31 plus minutes, and on the radio the same 31.28, while the DVR shows 31.31. So 30 plus minutes on this baby. That's not a bad time. This makes the OFM 650S V2 your next best friend when it comes to aerial filming with the GoPro, running a GoPro 3, GoPro 4 and 4K resolution. You have 30 minutes in your hands. Enjoy! And it's time I'll be going around with my 650 and shooting more videos.